Welcome to my channel. DrayTek Vigor 2912 router setup. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Ensure the power LED turns on. Connect your modem or ISP-provided Ethernet cable to the router's WAN 1 or WAN 2 port. Open a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, http://192.168.1.1. Enter the default login credentials. Username, admin, password, admin. PPPoE, DSL connections. Enter username and password, provided by ISP. Static IP, enter IP, subnet, gateway, DNS, provided by ISP. DHCP, dynamic IP, cable modems. Select DHCP and click Apply. Go to Wireless LAN greater than General Settings, enable 2.4 GHz Wireless LAN. Choose Security Mode, select WPA2PSK and set a strong Wi-Fi password. Go to System Maintenance greater than Administrator password. Ensure your device obtains an IP automatically from the router. Thanks for watching.